Why don't you open it out here? What is it?
I get a Lala Loopsy.
What? Wow!
I got some Easter eggs. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Look at this, Mom. Cool.
A mermaid with a seahorse?
Yeah. And look, she gave me a Lala Loopsy. Whoa, this adores me. Wow. What is this?
It's candy.
No, this thing.
Oh, it's candy. Candy buttons.
Cool, a candy button. Something for to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what's in this one. Oh, cool. She gave me a butterfly. Cool. She gave me stamps.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
What are they? Oh, erasers.
Cool.
Butterfly erasers.
Cool. That's awesome. Wow, here's another one. But I'm not sure what this one is. Lala Loopsies. What is in here? What do you think is in this egg, Mom?
Ooh, it's a mermaid Lala Loopsy.
Yeah, it's mermaid.
Comes with a bathing suit. Says her hair changes color in the water.
Cool.
Very cool. Why do I smell pee?
Awesome. I get my own whistle. Wow, it's a golden thing. Awesome. How do you blow into it loud?
That's as loud as it gets, I think. Did you see the hair clips?
When you got them out, I... Oh. What kind of thing is in here? This Easter egg.
Are you excited for your Lala Loopsy?
Yeah. What?
What?
What are these?
Gum.
Cool. Kids gum?
I guess.
But they're supposed to be the strawberry star gum.
It's a cool mermaid.
Is it a snuggle cubby?
Yeah. It's got beanbag in the tail.
Cool. Love you back. What's...
Okay, what do you say to Aunt Wendy?
Thank you. I never... Can you help me open this, please?
Mm-hmm.